Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boofs Sports Card Collecting. Today I'm going to open up a blaster box of 2020 Topps Baseball Update. I haven't opened this in a long time, so I'm going to go ahead and rip into this and see what I can pull. It's been fun ripping all these different boxes of cards throughout the days, but I am running out, so eventually we're going to be done, but let's see what we get out of this blaster box. Okay, we have one exclusive 2020 Topps Baseball coin card inside this, so we'll save that for the end. Let's go ahead and start with the top pack. I don't think 2020 update had too much good, but we'll see what we can pull. Maybe a short print or something. All-Star Starters Rivalry. Torres and Betts. Clemens and Wiccan. Okay. Mookie Betts. I can't even say that name. Battery Bath for the Doyers. Very cool. Jalen Breeks. Dustin Guerrero. Hey, that's a good one right there. Yordan Alvarez, rookie update card. Very cool. All-Star, Jose Altuve. Hey, gold of Cody Salbeck, rookie card. Numbered to 2020. Very cool. All right, a Tyler Stevenson, 89. A turkey red of Mike Piazza for the Dodgers. And Diego Castro. Jose Tomlin. Anderson something. And time to party for the Red Sox. All right, next pack. Let's see what we get. It's not bad. Yordan Alvarez rookie card. I think that's a pretty good card right there. Ryan Howard. Miguel Cabrera, All-Star. Derek Jeter. Ichiro. Francisco Lindor. Alex Avila. Aaron Judge. All rise. Jordan Montgomery. 85 style from the Cubs. Andre Dawson. What year is it? We got ourselves a turkey red of Gavin Lux rookie. Sweet. You know he's now on, not a Dodger. Taylor Ward. Renison Silvar, again, think. Robinson Cano. And Kurt Castillo. All right, next pack. We got ourselves a Ken Griffey Jr. on the top. That's cool. We got a Caesar Hamilton. Shower Time, Lindor and Ramirez for the Cleveland Indians at that time. Justin Verlander. I heard he signed with the Giants. He's going to be pitching his 20th season. Pete Alonso. There's another one I collect. That's cool. Big Meat Pete. That's Neil Walker. This is Craig Kimball. Dude. Jacoby Marcel. Blair. Sierra. Somebody from the Marlins. I don't know who this is, but it's a parallel. We got a turkey red of David Price. And then we got a rookie card, Cody Stagg. We got a Brandon Nixon, rookie card of Brendan McKay, and an Alex Wood when he was on the Doyers. All right, next pack. All right, top card, we got a Clayton Kershaw, right on. Add to the PC. Buster Posey. High 10. The two Mets combined home runs, Chapman and Olsen, okay. Giancarlo Stanton. Brett Anderson. Rookie card, Sam Haggerty. This is Jose Iglesias, I think. Jonathan Villar. 2000 Decades Best, Ryan Howard. Turkey Red, Carlton Fisk for the White Sox. Christian Yelich, All-Star. Francisco Zavala, something like that. Nolan Arenado. And a Joyce Lee Chain, I don't know. Some of these names I don't know. I remember Update had a lot of people that I don't think ever made it. But let's see what we get in this next pack. Sean Murphy. And Anthony Alford. Hunter Prince. Conway Gioligas. Jesus Luzardo, rookie debut. Anthony Rendon. Frankie Sindor. Edwin Encarnacion for the White Sox. With LaBlanca. Muncy. Let's see. It's Thurman Munson for the Yankees. Oh, I thought I had something. All right, next card is a Mark McGwire All-Star card. Luis Salvatino for the Yankees. Jose Martinez. And Josh Harrison. Okay, next pack. All right, top card. We got a Kyle Lewis rookie debut. That's another cool one. Take that. Anthony Davis, Jacob deGrom, Jose Plank, Kyle Ryan, Josh Taylor rookie card. And we got another like parallel of Peter Lambert. And we got a rainbow foil, Jonathan Villar. And we got an 85 style of Kingfish, Mike Trout. Cool. And we got a turkey red of Wade Boggs. And then we got George Lopez, not the comedian. So I don't even know how to say that. Randy Arozarena, rookie card. There we go. There's another one. Sweet. And then Sandy Leon. All right. Last pack magic, last pack mojo. See if we get anything fire. Sorry, I'm still under the weather here. All right, we got a Pete Alonso. It's cool. And then we got Yippee Lopez. Aaron Judge. All rise. All rise. This is a Cal Ripken Jr. Kyle Wright. Robert Searston. Rookie card of Sean Poppin. Miguel Framer. 89 style. #1 pick. Sixto Sanchez for the Marlins. Turkey red. Mike Mussina from the Orioles. Rookie card of Dev Gurley. Alec Miles, rookie of Ian Miller. And final card is Ryan Weber. All right, let's get into this medallion that we're going to get, see who we get out of this. And it is Jacob deGrom for the New York Mets at this time. All right, very cool. All right, guys, so that's going to be the end of this rip. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, what your favorite card was. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And as always, peace.